Product name: Portable water knife cutting machine. Model: JDPWJ M3015. Product introduction: Water cutting equipment is mainly used in large machine tool equipment, manufacturing industry, and smelting and mining. The volume and weight is relatively significant, and the price is high. Through unique design concept and advanced technology, unlike the traditional huge, heavy, high-pressure equipment, the newly developed portable operating water cutting system is several times smaller, which is intelligent, humanized, and safe. The system has a unique cold cutting features, fast, safe, and efficient, can rapidly transferred to various conditions. It plays an important role in the field of dangerous goods and waste explosive disposal and rescue and damage-breaking work. Water cutting machine has passed the spark test, electrostatic detection, and temperature detection, and met the explosion-proof requirements, especially suitable for coal mine waste anchor cable cutting, corrosion bolts, U-shaped steel, rail cutting and modification, which are welcomed by the majority of coal mine enterprises friends. Working principle: The working medium is filtered through the water storage tank and the low-pressure hose and flows into the high-pressure pump. The flame-proof three-phase asynchronous motor is used to power the high-pressure plunger pump in underground coal mine.